Kia ora waiheke. Today we're going to make a smoothie and it's going to be totally delicious, and we're going to make it out of bits and pieces we had in the freezer and some coconut milk. So this is a real treat for the family. First of all, we have to squeeze the oranges. We've put some frozen fruit from the freezer. I like to freeze bits and odds and ends of things like bananas and strawberries and anything we've got handy. We're going to do ours with coconut milk, but you can do yours with milk or anything you've got around. Almond milk, coconut milk, whatever you've got in the store cupboards. And we're going to put some nice spinach in for a bit of green. Right, so we're lucky enough to have some limes in the garden, so we've put some lime in and we'll put some ice in. The biggest mistake people make when they're making smoothies is not to have enough liquid. Let's give it a blend. It's really important to taste your smoothie and to adjust to what you particularly like in your household.